So I get this question quite often, do I look at a nut as more of a protein or a fat? Well, it's a combination, and I just want to create a short video to explain a little bit more about that. We have pecans, walnuts, almonds, macadamia nut, and pistachio. If you look at the pecan and the relationship between fat, 71 grams, to 9 grams of protein, you can see the pecan is way more of a fat than a protein, right? But it has some protein in it. It actually has some carbs as well. But if we deduct the fiber, we get 4 grams net carbs. So that's pretty low. But there is some. So when you do a ketogenic diet, a lot of times you don't look at the carbs in nuts, but sometimes they do add up, especially if you're going to consume a lot of pistachios. Okay, 20 grams. So it's good to sometimes calculate some of these macros, these macronutrients. So pecan is pretty high in fat. It has some protein as well, and it's low in carb. Let's look at the walnut. 52 grams of fat versus 12 grams of protein. So it's more of a fat than a protein, but it has both. Pretty low on net carbs, right? Plus, walnuts have ALA, which is an omega-3 fatty acid. It's a precursor. It's not the active form, but it can turn into the active form of EPA and then DHA. Not that much, but it does have some omega-3. Now let's go to the almond. We have 73 grams of fat. Okay, that's pretty high, with 29 grams of protein. So definitely a lot higher than these others so far, with a 14 gram of net carb. The macadamia nut, look at this. Look how much fat, 102 grams versus the protein, which is 11 grams, with a net carb of 7 grams, pretty low. So it's a very high fat, low carb, some protein, which these all fit into the formula for a keto diet for sure, but they have a combination of fat and protein. So far, nuts are mostly fat if you look at the whole picture. Okay, then we have the pistachio. 52 grams of fat versus 25 grams of protein. So this right here has a good amount of protein and it has less fat, but look at the carbs, 20 grams. So if you're trying to lose weight and you're looking at all the different carbs, you may not want to go crazy on this. But if you're trying to gain weight, okay, and you want to do keto, this might be a good one to focus on. If you want to lose weight, the macadamia nut would be really good. Personally, I like pecans. And if you see what's unique about pecans, it's very low in carb and a real good amount of fat. And it's also some protein. And it's not very high in oxalates, so it's not going to put you at risk for kidney stones. This one right here is higher in oxalates. So if you're prone to kidney stones, you'd probably want to avoid almonds. All right, so that's my quick video. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back
With another amazing recipe.
no grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this
I
out.
think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple.
We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.